There are growing new concerns about what caused the housing market crash of 2008 and that it's now creeping right back into the real estate market once again. ABC Action News reporter Isabel Rosales tonight with the new money game.
They're the focus of a Hollywood blockbuster.
The whole housing market is propped up on these bad loans. They will fail.
And the pin that burst the housing bubble.
We had thousands of people who were seeking our services and in a total panic.
Before coming to Sylvia Alvarez, her clients' homes were at risk because of subprime mortgages that companies gave out back before the burst. They had turned to those mortgages because of their low credit scores. It's her job to help them get back on their feet.
It is a scary feeling to wake up in the morning and you have this pain in the pit of your stomach and you don't know how you're going to get out of this.
Now she's feeling deja vu about non-prime loans.
I think it's a bad loan, and I would never, ever recommend anyone, whether they're an experienced person or not, to take them.
She says more lenient loan standards are creeping back in, and someone with a credit score as low as 500 can get approved. This realtor's Reddit post warning folks about the dangers non-prime loans could lead to is trending. But he says he's cautiously optimistic. This isn't exactly the same as the so-called ninja lending.
No income, no jobs, no assets. You basically walked in, signed a paper, and they would give you a loan.
He says there are a couple of key differences. If a borrower is of a higher risk, then they'll have a higher interest rate and a higher down payment, sometimes as high as 20%. But most importantly, he tells me, unlike subprime, non-prime loans are all private, meaning government-backed entities like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac aren't taking the risk.
Like a fire, it can be a great tool in certain situations, but if it gets out of hand, it can cause a lot of damage and a lot of trouble.
And of course, this can be confusing for anyone, but there is free help available through counselors approved by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. They can walk you through all of your options before you commit to a loan. You can find all of these details up on abcactionnews.com.